At this stage of the course, the teacher, Don Cherry, had deliberately restricted the range of sounds he was working on. This meant that the students could focus precisely on the task without any significant memory burden or the distractions of meaning or vocabulary.
In this video, Don introduced and got the students to practice saying syllables ending in a consonant. In this case, the consonant P. Such syllables are not possible in Japanese, so he knew that there would be work to be done on this. The students would have to overcome their natural instinct to add a vowel at the end of such syllables.
Good.
Say it up. Great. 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 Say it up. Great. Perfect. Say it up. Say it up. Hey. Say it up. So that way. Again. Good. Again. That's it. Good. You could. Good. Say it up. Good. Up. Good.
More generally, permutations of sounds are useful. Transforming p and pa into up and up, and then into pap, etc., means students get lots of practice getting their minds and mouths around syllables with this unfamiliar structure.
And because their heads are up following the pointer, which could go anywhere unexpectedly, the students enjoy the game and stay present to the task. And because Don was constantly giving feedback, they quickly realised that he was going to expect good pronunciation from them throughout the rest of the course. We'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below or on our website at www.silentway.online.